just to sum up steps by now. So you opened a co-work, you actually connected it to a local project, you rumbled through Whisperflow, the goals, like what do you want to achieve? And then like you iterated through the questions that co-work shared, like same like with chat and with code, because so far we didn't showcase anything with co-work on the show, so it's just super important for me that people understand it's same way of working, like in chat, in code, in co-work. They are just labeled differently because they are focused on different tasks when it comes to execution. But for you as a user, it's all the same. Like you open the chat and you start like iterating.
The way of working is very similar. The only difference, chat is everything stored in like the cloud, and co-working code, you can work on like local files. The benefits there is of working local files is you can start like coding or like move files around your computer, way more technical than most people need. You could build this same setup in chat with a skill. The reason I chose to build it in co-work is because they have scheduled tasks now. So this can actually run, you can see this as the output, actually run independently of me every Monday at 8 a.m. when I set it. So that is the only co-work has scheduled tasks. Chat don't, but chat doesn't. But this is essentially just a skill. And so in chat, you could do the same thing and just manually trigger it.
I feel like the schedule is running my entire life right now. But okay, so you finished up basically the entire process of how this workflow is going to function and what the goal is. So what do you do after that? Do you transfer it to code? What is like the next step where you're actually implementing this and using this on like, I'm assuming, a weekly basis?
So I gave it some more feedback. It found more people, it's helpful. It's adding more. And I was like, what do you want to see? And I was like, drafts. And I was just pushing it to be fully automated just to kind of like extend what's possible here. If I were building it for real, like I said, I'd probably have it connect into Notion or Asana or whatever to put the drafts there that I would then manually review before they get published. So then it builds the skill. And so it summarizes everything. And this is genuinely end to end. It will pull from my brand kit, the creator watch list. The signal log is what, is aggregating all of those, pieces of content. First thing is it goes through the signals and it pulls my content. We use a publishing tool called Ordinal, and it, feeds all of our LinkedIn data and our clients as well. But it's just doing a pullback of 30 days, looking for industry news, doing a search, doing an idea scoring, creating a brief. It has a framework for a brief, post rating, and quality gate. I didn't actually give it any specific instructions there, but it just did a good job of like getting it baseline and then publishing to Ordinal. So Ordinal can also schedule your post. So if I hit run on this right now, it will load 5 posts for next week automatically for me.